Hello everyone, this is Idami Selvalle with the National Weather Service in Sacramento with a quick weather briefing highlighting the upcoming extreme fire weather event this weekend. A red flag warning is in effect for much of interior Northern California Saturday morning through early Monday morning. We're expecting the strongest wind event so far this fall. Damaging north to northeast winds gusting from 50 to 60 miles per hour are likely, especially Saturday evening into Sunday. The strongest winds will be along the western Sacramento Valley, the Delta, and higher elevations. Downed trees and power outages are possible. Extremely dry conditions are also expected with this event. Minimum daytime humidity levels will be in the teens, locally in the single digits. To summarize, we're expecting extreme fire weather conditions due to strong damaging winds and very dry conditions this weekend. Please remember to practice fire safety. For the latest forecast updates, you can follow us on Twitter and Facebook at NWS Sacramento and at weather.gov/STO. Thank you for your time.